Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Halloween water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that we're going to be using today are both from China Glaze. This orange is Stoked to be Soaked, and I'll be using this as my base color as well as in the water marble. And the black is Liquid Leather. Once I have my base color applied, I'll be protecting around my nails with liquid latex as well as tape. As usual, for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. So at 12 drops, this bullseye is actually a little bit overloaded. You can see those center drops don't quite want to spread. And that's also going to lead to a little bit of bleeding between the colors, which I'm actually counting on. It's intentionally a part of my design, so if the colors don't bleed together, I'm actually going to be rather upset. But I'm just going to go ahead and draw in all the petals. I'm going to be dipping 2 nails, and I'm trying to decide if I want to go kind of like the longer way or the wider way on my nails, or somewhere kind of in between. I think we'll just go for it like this. Line up my nails, one on each half of the flower, and then go ahead and dip in. With my orange stick, I'm going to clean up that excess polish around the edges and the back, and then I'm going to slowly pull my nails out, and there's the water marble with not quite as much bleeding as in my testing, but still enough that I think it is accenting the design. I'm going to use a pair of tweezers, just grab hold of the tape on one side here, and then peel it all off. And once I've got this off, I'm going to go ahead and marble the rest of my nails. Once you've finished marbling all your nails, you can go ahead and do cleanup. Any larger spots, I'm just going to get with a Q-tip dipped in acetone, and then for the larger spots, I'm going to use a small brush dipped in acetone. Once you're done with cleanup, you can finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished water marble, and I don't hate it, but I am disappointed that I didn't get as much bleeding as I did in my testing. I was actually looking forward to the bleeding this time. Sometimes it can be a problem with water marbling, but I tried to incorporate it into the design this time, and then it kind of let me down. If you'd like to see that testing, the extended tutorial will be up here on YouTube within the next couple days. And if you'd like to join me live for testing, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.